Welcome to Rev and Ride, where the future of mobility comes alive. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at one of the most extravagant and futuristic creations ever imagined. The 2025 Jaguar Futuristic Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a luxurious, high-tech home on wheels designed for those who want to travel in ultimate style, comfort, and performance. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or looking to live the nomadic luxury lifestyle, this is the machine that changes everything, exterior from the outside. The Jaguar Motorhome is an absolute showstopper. Its sleek, sculpted body follows the design language of futuristic spacecraft more than traditional RVs. Jaguar's iconic grille has been reimagined with a more minimalist, aerodynamic front fascia. Seamlessly integrated LED headlamps stretch across the front, while the body itself is covered in glossy white paint with satin chrome accents that give it an ultra-premium finish. The oversized panoramic windshield wraps from side to side, creating a bubble-like front that merges perfectly with the sculpted roofline. The sidewalls are flush and smooth, hiding doors and storage compartments until activated with a touch. Digital side mirrors, massive chrome wheels, retractable steps, and a hidden electric awning system complete the exterior's futuristic elegance. What makes it even more remarkable is the seamless integration of the trailer with the cab, giving it the look of a unified luxury cruiser rather than a traditional motorhome with parts stuck together. Performance-wise, Jaguar doesn't compromise. The motorhome is built on a custom electric platform, powered by dual electric motors producing over 900 horsepower. It accelerates surprisingly fast for its size, and the torque delivery is instant, offering a smooth, quiet ride with the power to handle steep terrain with ease. The battery pack provides up to 850 kilometers of range on a single charge. Supported by regenerative braking and solar panels embedded on the roof that power auxiliary systems. It supports ultra-fast DC charging, enabling 80% charge in just 40 minutes. The adaptive air suspension self-levels while driving and can lower the vehicle for easier entry and exit at campsites. Multiple drive modes are available, including Eco, Comfort, and Autonomous Cruise, making long-distance travel a breeze. Interior, step inside, and you're instantly transported into a luxury apartment on wheels. The cockpit area includes a wraparound old dashboard, digital HUD display, and a yoke-style steering interface. Both driver and passenger seats rotate 180 degrees to face the living space when parked. The main living area features a convertible leather lounge with built-in massage and heating, pop-up 65-inch old TV, and surround sound speakers built into the ceiling. The entire space is lined with ambient LED lighting, customizable via voice commands or a touchscreen panel. The kitchen area includes a compact induction stove, sink with smart faucet, refrigerator, and plenty of storage, all crafted with Oz premium wood and metal finishes. There's even a fold-out dining table for two. Walk further in, and you'll find a private bedroom with a queen-sized memory foam bed, skylight windows with smart tinting, built-in wardrobes, and automated blinds. Adjacent is a luxurious bathroom with a walk-in rainfall shower, smart toilet, and eco-efficient water recycling system. Every inch of the interior is filled with tech, from climate-controlled zones to voice-activated lighting, AI-powered personal assistant, and seamless 5G connectivity. Safety features. Safety is at the core of Jaguar's futuristic motorhome. It comes equipped with a full suite of ADAS advanced driver assistance systems, including Level 3 autonomous driving on supported highways, autonomous emergency braking 360 surround cameras with AI obstacle detection, lane keep, assist, and blind, spot monitoring, facial recognition driver, fatigue monitoring system. THSSIS is made from lightweight, high-strength materials that improve both crash protection and energy efficiency. Plus, the cabin has emergency override functions, advanced fire suppression, and solar backup in case of system failure. Even when parked, security systems include motion detection, proximity alerts, and cloud-connected monitoring, giving owners peace of mind wherever they roam. Prices. As for pricing, the 2025 Jaguar Motorhome is built for an elite market. The base model is estimated to start at around $950,000 USD, with top-end versions reaching $1.3 million, depending on customization. Buyers can choose interior materials, color schemes, tech packages, and even custom layouts. It's targeted at high-end clients, celebrities, entrepreneurs, luxury explorers, and digital nomads with a taste for the extraordinary. Jaguar will offer a bespoke customization service, including matching trailers, integrated drone landing pads, and off-grid energy packages. The 2025 Jaguar Futuristic Motorhome is more than just a luxury RV. It's a revolution in how we think about travel, design, and freedom. It's a perfect blend of performance, innovation, and high-end living. A true home on the move. Would you drive across continents in this luxury beast, or live in it full-time? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love futuristic vehicles, smart travel, and luxury machines, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rev and Ride. Your next adventure begins right here.